Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel YouTube. Today's video is about PlayStation 3 or 4 or 5. All those gaming consoles or video games, they take a lot of power, and also they have a fan inside to cool down the component inside, especially the RC and the CPU and so on. So if those air vents, you can see here all around here, in this one too, air vents in the back and this side. You can see here, if they get blocked, so all those air vents, as you see, after time using PlayStation, they collect a lot of dust, debris, and they get blocked. Once those air vents get blocked, there are a big chance the component inside can get easily burned out, especially the CPU or the fan or the PlayStation get very noisy, very loud, and it gets super hot. So to prevent this happening, all you need to do is to clean this. You can see they are completely blocked. This side, you can see here, all of them are blocked completely, and in the back as well. Here you can see. It's not bad in the back, but mostly this side in the front and this side too. It's very simple to clean this. It takes you just a few minutes. All you need, those are screws here. They covered, just like this one. You can see here, I covered a little bit. This one, those are 3 already removed. And the screws, they look like this one here. And this is the cover. It can stick here, just like that. So let's pop up those ones. And we'll remove the cover. And we'll use, you can use an air compressor. You can use a blaster air can. You can use that one too, or you can use a vacuum. And if you don't have, you can just use a regular toothbrush or any cleaning brush, and that will also clean everything and get rid of the dust and everything. So let's get started. To pop up those ones, you need a very small flat screwdriver like this one. This one, and we have this one. And we have this one too. This screw, you need a Phillips but smaller one, not like the regular one, just a little bit smaller one. So that's why it's good to have this kind of set. You have all the accessories, okay, and also you have some extra things here with this one. And it's very useful to fixing, repairing small electronic devices and so on. I'll put link in the description where to buy this set. You have pretty much all the types, different shapes, different sizes and so on. So there's one more screw here hidden beneath this sticker. You just need to pull this sticker and remove this one. Pop up this one, and now we remove this screw. Six long screws and one short one. There are 3 more. This is a star shape screws, tiny one, 1, 2, 3. That's why you need this set, because you can find the right shape for those screws. Kind of really strange, as you see here. And this is number 5, H8 or 8H. Okay, that's how you remove this one. Over here. And okay, now you flip it this way and then remove the cover. Now you can see the dust too much. You see this? This is very bad for the PlayStation or any game devices because they can block the fan. It won't suck any more air. Basically get heat up, and this one can get basically toasted and burned. So the best way is to clean it. You don't need to, like, this one can be done every few years, once, maybe twice on like lifetime, you know, just to clean everything here. So you can see how much dust this PlayStation 3 collected after time. Now the best way is to clean this. We're gonna have to take it outside using air compressor and blow all the dust out, because there's a lot of dust here. This is the maybe easy, lazy, best way to clean too much dust. If you don't have an air compressor, you can buy those you can see in the screen. It's called the air blaster. You can use that one, or brush, but the brush is gonna take a lot of, long time to do this. So you're just gonna have to go with the air compressor method. Take it outside and blow everything here. Make sure to this one, it's already closed, so we keep this closed. If any dust got inside this drive, it's not good at all, because the dust can block the laser lens, and the lens eventually cannot read. And so it's very important. Maybe the best is to put tape. We're gonna put a tape here, mask tape. This is easy, this cover easy to remove, only 2 screws. Remove this connection, and you can remove this connection too. This one goes here. This is it's called the main power supply. This unit is the power supply. You can also clean this here quickly with that. And here you can see this is not bad. The fan cooling system is not bad. It's good actually. It's clean, but all this dust must be cleaned in this area. There's a lot of dust in this area, so let's take it outside, clean it. See the different before and after. Big different. Watch this here. And then so there is no cooling fan in this power supply, but just a little clean should be good. Oh, it's super clean, as you see. No more dust. All those air vents are clean. This side and then front, and pretty much, see, the fastest way to clean it, you don't need to disassemble everything, but that's what the air compressor for. It works really good and fast, safe and easy. Now it's time to put this thing back. First we put this power supply in like that. This one goes here. Now you see those two legs connect those two connectors goes one here and one here to this hole. So make sure this line up, and then push until it sits just like that, and it's ready. Okay, put this connector back in, click, locked, good. 2 screws. Now you can see this is the front cover here. I forgot to clean this, but you see the dust behind it. This is also air vent, so I'm just gonna blow this with the air and it should be ready to go. Okay, now this thing, this one here, you can also pull it out, like this is the hard drive. So you can see here, that's just the hard drive. Blow it a little bit, clean it here a little bit, blow this, it should be good to go. Okay. Push it all the way to make sure it's locked. And one screw goes here. To put this cover back, you need to do first this one, 1, 2, 3. So you go this way, and then lean down a little bit until it's in place. That's it. Those 3 star shape screws goes on the front. 1, 2, 3. And long one goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the small star-shaped screws. It's time now to test. I'll let you listen to the sound. Thank you so much for watching. All the best and hope to see you next time. Please do not forget to check out other videos in our multi-channel. We upload videos regularly, randomly, and there are more than 700 random videos on our channel. Check them out, please. Subscribe, like, and share. All the best and hope to see you next time. Thank you very much.